Think of each segment in the figure as part of a line. Which line or lines, or plane or planes, appear to fit the description? Part A. Line or lines parallel to line GH and containing point F. Looking at the figure, you want to look at line GH and point F. So line EF is parallel to line GH and contains point F. Because line EF is the only line that contains point F that does not intersect line GH and is in the same plane as line GH. Part B. Line or lines skew to line GH and containing point F. So line BF is skewed to line GH and contains point F. Because line BF is the only line that contains point F and does not intersect line GH and is not coplanar with line GH. Part C. Line or lines perpendicular to line GH and containing point F. So line FG is perpendicular to line GH and contains point F. Because line FG is the only line that contains point F that intersects line GH and lies in the same plane as line GH. Part D. Plane or planes parallel to plane GHD and containing point F. So plane ABF is parallel to plane GHD and contains point F. Because plane ABF is the only plane that contains point F that does not intersect plane GH. The given line markings show how the roads in a town are related to each other. Part A. Name a pair of parallel lines. Looking at the picture, you are given that line GK is parallel to line HL. Part B. Name a pair of perpendicular lines. Looking at the picture, you are given that line GK is perpendicular to line JL. Because looking at the picture, notice that there is a right angle at point K. Part C. Is ray GN perpendicular to line JL? Explain. No. By the perpendicular postulate, there is exactly one line through G that is perpendicular to line JL. And as you found in Part B, line GK is perpendicular to line JL. So because there is already a line that is perpendicular to line JL that includes point G, the ray GN cannot be perpendicular to line JL. Identify Identify all pairs of angles of the given type. Part A. Consecutive interior. Consecutive interior angles are two angles that lie between the two lines and on the same side of the transversal. So angle 3 and angle 4 are consecutive interior angles, and angle 7 and angle 8 are also consecutive interior angles. Part B. Alternate exterior angles. Two angles are alternate exterior when they lie on opposite sides of the transversal and outside the lines. So angle 1 and angle 5 are alternate exterior angles. Angle 2 and angle 6 are alternate exterior angles. Corresponding angles are two angles that have corresponding positions in the picture. So angle 1 and angle 7 are corresponding angles. Angle 2 and angle 4 are corresponding angles. Angle 3 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. And angle 8 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. Part D. Alternate interior. Two angles are alternate interior angles when they lie on opposite sides of the transversal and inside the lines. So angle 3 and angle 7 are alternate interior angles, and angle 4 and angle 8 are alternate interior angles.